All right, so right now I'm going to test out the China Ethernet adapter. Bought for like $4 on eBay. Test it out, see if it works. Put the Ethernet adapter over there. Make these little things so small. Okay. All right. All right. See it lighten up. Let's test this one out. All right, y'all. I'm gonna check out the network because I got to go into the China, and it says connected. Oh wow, okay, good to go. So I got it. I got the China Ethernet adapter hooked up to my home extender. Let's see how this picture looks. You gotta go to HBO where I have the most problems. I'll tell you when it was buffering on Sunday, I was like, I ordered this part and I was like, yo, not today, no more. I'm tired of the buffering. X.
And he was an alternate on the Olympic curling team. Solid resume. Yeah, I mean, it sounds totally Cinderella, doesn't it? Sure.
I know it's the wrong title, but hey, listen. You can make up the title of the movie. I don't really care. As long as the picture is good and not buffering. Buffering. Get what you pay for. So $4, definitely not a good look on my HBO. This is what was constantly happening on the Wi-Fi. So it looks like the Amazon Ethernet adapter is a winner.